Hey guys, two things. We have a code editor and we have anti-gravity. Now, think of these two tools as one being a toolbox, and on the other, you lead the team of the individuals who have the toolbox. Now, if we look at the traditional code editor and we think about ideas, we think to ourselves, what do we do? With the code editor, I have to go over here, open up a new file, select the language, and I start to think about how to put my ideas together. So what do I do this time? I go over to anti-gravity. So what's anti-gravity? Now, anti-gravity is, think of you as a founder and you have partners. You're the founder with the ideas and your partners can get to work. And when I say partners, I mean partners. Now, say you have an idea. You want to find out the price of goods in the market. What do? Do we build from scratch? Or do we get our partners to get to work? And that is what we'll be doing today. Get our partners to get to work. So let's find the current market price of white maize from 3 websites, clean the data, and show me a chart of the average price. I am going to plan, and I have myself a huge intelligent brain doing the work for me. And I send it to work. Now, if you pay close attention, a lot of the work is going to be done for you. Now, while this is at it, why don't we go over to our code writing? Do we have to do this from scratch? No. Now, while we're talking about a regular or a traditional code editor, anti-gravity and our team are putting things to work. So what do we do? Could you provide the URLs of the 3 websites, or would you let me check for the white maize price? Check it yourself. Now, the interesting thing about anti-gravity is you become the manager with the ideas and you put it to work. For the traditional code editor, got to plan from scratch. Now, what does this mean? It means that you become a creator and you get to start off work as fast as possible. Anti-gravity makes that possible. Now, if I was going to say things from a technical perspective, I would say the agents get to work for you. And if I was trying to be non-technical, I would say you have partners. All you have to do is read through the ideas and proceed. Now, while that's going on, you allow for it to build stuff for you, and you can also look at the certain changes that you have to work with. Now, as we speak, the work is being done for us. So what does that mean? Plots our maize prices, and not really the same with the traditional code editor. And you get what we're talking about? Now, by the time we're done with this, what do we have? We get to tell it what to do, we review what it's going to do, and we tell it to get to work. What if it does not know what to do and then it runs into some problems? Well, figures it out itself. And at every point, you can see what the work is being done, and you can be the one to assign it to do anything you want it to do at any point. But you know the interesting thing about it? If it jumps into an error, guess what? It does the fixing. And you ensure that you oversee the fixes. So now, the difference between a traditional code editor and anti-gravity, which, from a technical standpoint, are agents doing the work for you, and from a non-technical standpoint, you've got partners, while you're the manager of the business. And once you're done, your chat has been saved, and the script has been run. What do you want to see? Voila.